Hello, my name is Dr. Martin Weihrauch. I'm founder and CEO of Smart Media, and I am responsible for product development. Today we have the opportunity to be in a real pathology lab, and I want to show you which parts of the workflow are changed if you digitalize pathology. First of all, the samples come into the lab and are assigned to cases. Now the cassettes and the slides have to be printed with a 2D barcode, the so-called data matrix. To put 2D barcodes on these slides, you can just use any label printer, for instance by the company Zebra, and use our PathoZoom label printer software. At the grossing station, the samples are cut and put into the cassettes. Then the samples are embedded into paraffin. The samples are cut into thin slices which are placed onto the microscopic slides. The slides now go into the staining bath as usual, and after that you can load them into the microscope scanner. Now the scanning process will start, which will take quite some time. But when you start scanning, the pathologist can already start diagnosing the cases, so you don't lose time. Usually you can calculate between half a minute to 1 minute per slide, and of course it depends on the amount of tissue that you have brought onto the slide. The microscope scanner and the slides are then connected with the diagnostic platform. The diagnostic platform is the center of the digital pathology system. For that, you will use PathoZoom Digital Lab. It connects all the modules, all the parts of the digital pathology lab. The important thing is that you choose a platform which is open, like PathoZoom Digital Lab. It is open for all microscope scanners and all image formats. It's open to all LIS. It is open for AI. We have an AI app store. It is open also for other applications, like research and education. As you know, pathologists not only need microscopy, they also need macroscopy. We have developed a special system, PathoZoom LiveView Macro. With a camera and a software, it is possible to stream and broadcast your grossing table. You can discuss any case live with a colleague. It is also possible to take photos of the specimen, which are then automatically sent into Digital Lab and grouped into the case with the microscopic slides. Now you have seen the entire workflow with PathoZoom Digital Lab. And as you have seen, PathoZoom Digital Lab is not a mere viewer. In fact, it's a real diagnostic platform. It connects you to your colleagues who can attend from anywhere and discuss cases with you. Of course, you don't want to digitalize your lab from one day to the next. Digitalization is a step-by-step process, and we are in Smart Media the experts for digitalization of pathology departments. So we will help you to take all of these steps and make this whole digitalization process a huge success for you. Please contact us to learn more, and we would be happy to invite you into our company or into any customer lab where you can observe the digital workflow where it's already happening.